Good morning.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And welcome to Academy of Women Entrepreneurs Second Philippine Summit. Of course, this event wouldn't be possible. We would like to thank our sponsors for this event.
We have the U.S. Embassy Manila.
And of course, American Spaces Philippines.
The Gateway. And also we have
Araneta City, the City of First J. Amado Araneta Foundation.
And wag natin kakalimutan ng Quezon City Government.
Of course, Quezon City Government, thank you so much, Mayor Joy Belmonte. Of course, and syempre, sa pakikipagtulungan ng Sparks, samahan ng mga Pilipina para sa reforma at kaunlaran. And bukod sa lahat, nandito po tayo. Kung makikita nyo, ano ba itong Academy of Women Entrepreneurs? Lahat po dito ay mga Pilipinang entrepreneur dito po sa lungsod ng Pilipinas. Lungsod ng Pilipinas, dito sa ating bansa. O, lungsod ng Quezon City. Nasa lungsod ng Quezon City tayo ngayon.
Right now, we're moving on. Pag-iikot natin sa different cohorts across the country, across the Philippines. So we have, first and foremost, the Manila. Okay, let's go.
Yes, we have, of course, the first Creek Crafts. Ayan. Ito ang isa sa mga standout products nila. Itong Map of the Philippines. And alam nyo, hindi lang kasi ito pang display. Ang ginagawa nila dito, lahat lalo na sa mga Filipino travelers, yung mga Filipino travelers natin, alam mo, kukulayan mo yung mga napuntahan mo na lugar dito sa Pilipinas.
At kahit na sobrang liliit niya, mababasa mo lahat ng mga yan. These are all customized. It depends on you kung anong gusto mong ipa-customize sa kanila, guys. Okay?
And hindi lang ito ang kanilang product, ha. Meron pa nga nagpapagawa ngayon ng mga this one. Ito mga plaque na ganito, Certificate of Appreciation.
Pwede mo siyang ipang souvenirs kung meron kang pang souvenir mo, kung meron kang mga galing sa ibang bansa, mga OFW na gusto mong pasalubungan papunta sa ibang bansa, napakagaganda nito.
And this one, ito pa mismo,
right.
ito mga notebooks na.
Pwede natin ma-customize itong mga to. Okay, yan, may eagle tayo, and this one I think around 600 pesos only, meron ka ng ganito. With ballpen na siya, at saka pwede mo siya daw ilagay dito kung anong gusto mong ipa-customize. Yeah.
Right,
okay,
right.
Come on, let's move on. Sino bang nagmamayari ng free crafts? Alright, we have your memories. Yan daw ang ano nila, tagline nila. Your memories are crafts. So, Miss
No
Rose.
other than Miss Rose from which Laguna?
Santa Rosa, Laguna.
From Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Alright, okay. So,
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And here from City, another representative from City of Manila, si Rio Pomer.
Hi! Hello!
Welcome to Bridges of...
Yeah.
Bridges of Autism App. Ayan.
Alright. Hello! So actually, Bridges Autism App gave birth through AW. Ayan. So,
Founder nitong Autism App. Siya po ang founder ng Autism App natin. And bakit mo ba? Ano ba naisip mo? Bakit ka gumawa ng ganitong app na to?
well, actually, my why is I have 2 kids on the spectrum who has an autism. And we just got featured last May in Mother's Day edition. So you will know our story from there along with the app. Actually, along with the parents who have the same challenges with us in terms of therapies and also for yung mga hindi pa na kakapag-assessment with the development pediatrician. So this app is a solution. It's a Filipino-built AI on which we offer home programs for the parents who has kids with autism. And we also have Smartpedia on which they be able to do an assessment while waiting for the slot with the development pedia. And we also have feature for educationals and also for the jobs and careers or inclusive workplace. So we're currently on the beta testing right now, and by next month and so magiging fully available na siya in a Google Play or in a App Store. So ayan.
Nice. Oh, ayan. Maraming salamat. And I'm pretty sure may inspire sa'yo yung mga ibang parent na katulad mo na talagang sila ang nag-aalaga, ang nagbabantay sa kanilang mga anak.
Yes,
right?
and follow us on Facebook for the updates. So, ayan. So, para makita nyo kailan na siya magiging available.
Alright. Again, ladies and gentlemen, ayan, tandaan nyo po, Bridges Autism App. At
Miss Rio from Manila.
City of Manila. Thank you so much. And of course, another one from City of Manila. Ayan, Angel and May Crochet and Crafts. Hello, this is Miss Anna and siya po ang may-ari ng Angel and May Crochet Crafts.
Hello everyone! Punta po kayo dito sa Gateway, sa aming bazaar from Manila. Hello!
Yan. So ikaw talaga mag-isa ang gumagawa niyan?
Ako lang po, ma'am.
Meron ka bang inspirasyon bakit naisipan mong gawin yan? Or talaga ito lang yung passion or habit mo?
Bukod sa passion, yung pandemic kasi wala akong magawa sa buhay. Kaya ito yung ginawa kong diversity para sa akin depression kasi nagkaroon din ako ng depression. Kaya ito yung dito ko dinivert yung aking depression. No? Naggawa at binenta ko siya. Ngayon, napagkakakitaan ko na, di ba?
Oh, that's great. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan. And of course, ito naman, another one, we have City of Manila pa rin tayo. Mamaya natin ikutin natin lahat ng mga cohorts. Si Miss Vero. Ayan, Miss Vero of...
Miss Ayla, you know what? Miss Veronica is one of our PWD. Pero guys, ito ang kanyang business. From City of Manila rin siya, o Manila. We have Vero denim bag made from upcycled denim jeans. O Ma'am Vero, yan na.
Yes, maganda. Ano po naisipan niyo dito? At talagang ito yung product or business na binukunin niyo?
Yes, ma'am. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay gumagawa ng upcycled materials from denim. And then it turned out to bag and other materials from bahay like this kitchen na very unique piece, di ba? So, when did I started it? I started kasi para to save the environment, so para may sustainability tayo. Yan ang problema na natin kasi binabaha tayo. But then, isa pang ultimate mission ko is to help the person with disability for inclusion. Kasi hindi naman na lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga person with disability to get employed. Yes. So kami, I'm trying to help them out. Right now, they are the beneficiaries of our sales of our product. So this coming August 9 po, we have a program for person with disabilities sa Barangay 181. We're in, i-gather ko sila and we're going to talk about the rights and privileges and some of the sales and proceed of the sales will be going to that event.
Yes,
yeah. So this is the mission.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much. Ito pa, hindi lang to pang keychain. Actually, di ba pag nabubutas na yung pants mo, pwede mo dito ilagay. O, di ba? Ayan. So, kinuha ko na sa bulsa ko. Ayan. Thank you so much. Yan. Yes, City of Manila. And this one, yes, let's call on Miss Mary Ann, the founder, owner of, ano ba pangalan to product mo?
Holistics Philippines. Ito po imported from the USA. Mga organic skincare, sunblock products from the USA.
Yeah. Lalo na kasi we live in a tropical country, no? Itong sunblock na to.
Yes.
Kasi dapat actually pag
from Malaysia, imported from Malaysia.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Itong mga products na to, we are the exclusive importer and distributor here in the Philippines.
Alam mo, maganda itong product na to kasi since Philippines is one of the tropical countries and, di ba, napakainit. So, eto, meron sila different, ano man tawag mo din, iba-ibang mga scent.
Skincare products. Ito, try nyo. Bestseller. Pangtanggal ng dry skin.
Wow!
Dry skin. Try.
This is tester.
Here.
Ayan.
Diba? Try pa namin ha. Try
Scrub.
natin kung mawawala yung mga acne.
Yes. Actually may nag-try na taga Bacolod. Na-try niya na para siyang binalitan yung mukha niya.
Wow.
Bumalik siya para bumili ng
Try mo ngayon, baka pagkatapos natin mag-video, nagbabalag ka na dito.
Balat na agad. Parang yan na, malapit na siya.
Oh, diba? Oh, see? Oh,
Ano to?
see?
Totoo. Wala bang tissue dyan?
How cute.
Totoo, guys. Okay. That is, what's that?
Mabura yung best.
Munti ka na ba? Okay, munti ka na mabura yung ano ko. Pesla ko, guys. This is killing gel. Alright. Okay, pineapple. Di ka na talaga.
Mamaya balikan natin kasi, di ba? So, we'll get back to you para mamili tayo, magsha-shopping.
Thank you,
tayo,
Ma'am
best.
Marian.
Thank you so much! Ayan. Oh, eto na. Yung mga mahihilig sa suka.
Nike. You?
Yes, favorite ko. Iniinom ko yan. Ito ang beer ko eh. Ito ang beer ko. Yan, ang suka.
From City of Manila. At ang owner niyan ay si Miss Rhea.
Ayan. Hi, Miss Rhea.
Hello, good morning.
This is Heredar. Eredar. Ayan. Oh, ayusin ang pronunciation, best. Eredar. Celebrating culinary heritage, bringing friends and families together. Ano to? Heirloom ba tong ano na to? Yung ang tawag dito, yung ingredients ninyo?
Ha?
Heirloom to? Talagang
Yes po, heirloom po siya. Galing po siya sa mga heirloom trees sa Albay. And then, yung recipe po, galing pa yun sa grandparents namin. So, it's now handed down on its 3rd generation. And ngayon, lahat to organic. Wala po siyang chemicals na halo. And at the same time, tumutulong din po kami sa mga farmers directly. Kumukuha kami ng mga raw materials from them.
Oh, great. And you have, agad, no? Meron silang 3 flavors. Like, ito yung pinaka-plain. This is the original one.
Basic, pinaka-raw. Ito para mako-compare mo to sa apple cider vinegar. Meron siya mga probiotics. Pwede mo siyang inumin in the morning. Pwede ka mag-lose ng weight because of that.
May ilalaban pala yan sa...
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, and ito namang pangalawa is yung spicy flavor saka garlic flavor. So may halo na siya ng mga spices. So pwede siya pang sausawan or pang marinate ng mga food nyo. Pwedeng fish, pork, or beef. Masarap siya.
Wow. Alam mo kasi, ang alam ko, partner, pag tuba, yung parang iniinom lang. Pang-alak. Pero alak ba to? Pwede rin to magyan? Hindi. Pag ito kasi ginawa mong pang-alak, I'm pretty sure.
Pag sinabi mong Eredar, ate, what's that mean? Ganon.
Sabihin nun is to inherit. So, itong produkto ng Albay, talagang ilang generations na. So, Spanish era pa lang, andito na sila. So, pinopromote natin yung continuation nito for the next generation na wag silang mawala. And yung farmers natin, tuloy-tuloy din na may income.
Guys, okay, like and follow ang kanyang Facebook page.
At Eredar, Tablea de Cacao.
Okay, guys. Thank you, Ate Rhea.